Welcome to this tutorial on building a facial recognition-based digital signage system. Today, we're diving into an exciting project that combines Java programming with computer vision technology. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the requirements for our project. We will need 1. Java Development Kit, JDK. 2. OpenCV, an open-source computer vision library. 3. A display screen for our signage. 4. A webcam to capture faces. 5. Optional, Apache Maven for project management. Let's break this down step by step, starting with setting up our Java project environment. If you haven't installed JDK or OpenCV already, make sure to do that now. For this tutorial, we're using Maven to manage our project dependencies. First, create a new Maven project. Open your terminal and run. Now, navigate to your project directory. Next, we need to add OpenCV as a dependency in our pom.xml file. Open the file located at facial recognition signage/pom.xml and add the following lines. Once you've updated your pom.xml, run the following command to ensure that Maven downloads the OpenCV library. mvn clean install. This command cleans the project and installs all dependencies defined. Great! Let's get to the heart of our system, face detection. We will use OpenCV's har cascade classifier for this purpose. Update your Java class with a main method and implement the face detection above. Here is how it should look. Now let's test if your code correctly detects faces in an image. Place an image in your project's directory and update the image path in the code. Compile and run your program. You should see rectangles drawn around faces in the image. You can see that it's successfully detecting faces. Next, we want to capture video frames from the webcam and apply the face detection algorithm on each frame. We'll make some modifications to our previous code by adding a video capture function. Within the while loop, add the face detection code we had used earlier. You can also add a display function to show the webcam feed with detected faces. The next step is integrating this with a digital signage feature where the sign changes based on the detected faces. We will create logic to display different messages for recognized individuals. To do this, let's implement a method for recognizing faces. For face recognition, you can opt for various approaches such as using facial embeddings or neural networks. Here we will keep it simple for this tutorial by matching faces with stored ones using OpenCV's face recognition functions. You will also need to train your recognizer with images of the faces you want to identify. For this, collect sample images and assign labels to them. Use the following code snippet to read images and create your training set. Once you've prepared your training data, call this method within your face recognition logic. Whenever a face is recognized, you can fetch relevant information from a database or a simple mapping to display on the screen. For the display component, we will create a simple method that shows the message for recognized persons. You could leverage a Java GUI toolkit such as JavaFX for modern interfaces as well. Now we have the essential components of our facial recognition-based digital signage system. You can further enhance your system by adding features such as 1. Logging recognized faces with timestamps. 2. Managing a database of recognized persons. 3. Automating the display change at certain intervals. 4. Allowing remote management of the messages being shown. Before we finish, make sure to test your system thoroughly. Debug any issues and experiment with different faces and messages. As you develop this system, you might also face challenges like improving accuracy or managing lighting conditions for better face detection. In conclusion, today we learned how to build a facial recognition-based digital signage system using Java and OpenCV. To keep improving the system, continue learning about computer vision and machine learning techniques. Thank you for joining me, and happy coding!